This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by making sure power is stable. Install fresh AA batteries or plug in a 9V adapter so the unit won't die mid-reset. Once powered, connect your guitar to input and an amp to output to confirm the signal chain is working. This avoids confusion later. Make sure to back up any custom patches to an SD card or write them down because the factory reset deletes user presets. Now that prerequisites are set, let's start the reset sequence. With power stable, hold the down foot switch and the TAP tempo button at the same time, then power the G1X4 on. Keep holding until the LCD displays an initialize or reset prompt. You're doing this because the manufacturer designs a button combo to prevent accidental wipes. Once the prompt appears, release the buttons and use the value dial or the right button to select and confirm the factory reset. This ensures the device executes the full initialization sequence and restores defaults. After you confirm the reset, let the G1X4 finish its restart and reach the default patch, usually patch 001 or an init state, so settings fully apply. Once booted, play through selections to verify tuning, effects routing, and foot switches are responsive. This proves the reset worked and reveals any remaining problems. If something still misbehaves, retry the reset once more, and if that fails, update the firmware or contact support. Often firmware mismatches cause odd post-reset behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.